If you're experiencing low performance in Cyberpunk 2077, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this easy guide to optimize your settings and enhance performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Go to the Settings menu, select the Graphics tab, and reduce options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. This will help the game run smoother. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website like Nvidia or AMD and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Updated drivers can significantly improve performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing more power to be allocated to the game. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or GOG, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance. Go to the control panel, select power options, and choose the high performance plan. This setting ensures your system is using maximum resources while gaming. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in the performance of Cyberpunk 2077. Enjoy your gaming experience.